The 1972 Ford Capri RS2600 is a legendary car that holds a special place in automotive history. Known for its sleek design, powerful engine, and racing pedigree, the Capri RS2600 was a game-changer in the early 1970s. It was designed to compete in the European Touring Car Championship and quickly became a favorite among car enthusiasts and racers alike. Specifications. Let's start with the heart of the Capri RS2600, its engine. The car is powered by a 2.6-liter V6 engine that produces an impressive 150 horsepower. This engine was a significant upgrade from the earlier models, providing the performance needed to dominate the racing circuits. The Capri RS2600 features a Kugelfischer fuel injection system, which was advanced for its time and contributed to the car's excellent performance. Fuel system. Kugelfischer fuel injection. Transmission. 4-speed manual top speed. Approximately 124 miles per hour. 200 kilometers per hour. 0 to 60 miles per hour. Around 8 seconds. The Capri RS2600 performance wasn't just about the engine. The car also featured a lightweight body, thanks to the extensive use of aluminum and other lightweight materials. This helped improve its agility and handling, making it a formidable competitor on the track. The Capri was built with racing in mind. It was homologated for Group 2 racing, which required the production of at least 1,000 units. This homologation allowed the Capri RS2600 to compete in the European Touring Car Championship, where it quickly made a name for itself. Inside, the Capri offers a driver-focused cockpit with all the essential gauges and controls within easy reach. The seats are designed to provide excellent support during spirited driving, and the overall interior layout is both functional and stylish. Some notable features of the Capri include sporty bucket seats, designed for comfort and support during high-speed driving. Racing steering wheel provides precise control and a sporty feel. Classic instrument cluster includes a tachometer, speedometer, and other essential gauges. Lightweight construction. Extensive use of aluminum and other lightweight materials for improved performance.